So once I log in, all right, so we'll say the patient name is Mr. Kiran. Phone number is, age is about 40, and add. If you see, I'm using mostly my keyboard for doing all stuff. So we'll say we want to do a consultation, not consultation, 400 rupees. All right. So we'll say, and the service doctor that is providing the consultation is Dr. Satish. Okay. And then next I'll go and make the payment in cash, 400 rupees. Print a prescription and bill. It will show me the bill first. It will give me 400 rupees advance cash and printed by Demo Lab. And when after I print this, then it will come up with the prescription with the patient details, bill number, and the date, and the mobile number, and who's the doctor, Dr. Satish. So the doctor can write the prescription here. So that's how the prescription is done. So what we can do here, we can search for the patient's phone number and do a search, and then that patient will automatically come up. And then you can say, I want to do an APS, and I want to do a CBP. All right. And then you can say, okay, 350 rupees in cash the patient has paid, and created the bill, who has printed the bill. It shows the bill number, the date of bill, and UMR number and everything. All right. And now you go to the lab. Lab goes in, and then it will see that this is a PS and CBP tests that have come in. So they collect the sample and everything, and then they go in and do the tests. Once they do the test, they have to enter the results of the tests, and then it will print that particular report. All right. So this is how the report prints. It will say, it will give you the neat details of the patient, everything. It will give you, and then it will print that information. And this is how the print will look like. Okay, you can print it on your letterhead and give it to the patient. We'll go through the admission process. So I'll go to the IP, and I'll say IP admission. And again, I'll enter the same phone number and search for that particular patient. And I'll say Dr. Satish. Satish is the consulting doctor, and Dr. Naresh is the who recommended. All right, admission date is 19th January. Okay, if you have any IP number on your file, you want to maintain your IP numbers, you can enter that here. I'll say this is a regular admission, and we'll put him in general ward. All right, and we'll say he is son of Venkateswarlu. Address is AS Ramnagar. Emergency contact is Bhaskar. All right, and then we enter the phone number, and then this is basic information, and you admit. All right, so now we have admitted this patient. First, we'll add some bills. So all this comes to around 7,500 rupees. We'll submit that information, and we'll add a test, and we will say you need to do an FPS again. Okay, and submit. All right, you can add as many bills as you want, billing department, and then he'll go to payments. So we'll go to the payments, and we will add a payment of cash, and we will add an amount paid of 7,600. Okay, and we will say this is an advance. Okay, and then we'll print this particular payment and give it to the patient. Okay, so if I give to it, it will show the bill, and you can give it to the patient. All right, so this is the bill that has been paid. Now if I go to this one, it shows a balance of minus 50 rupees. That means we have paid some more than what is required, which is good. We are in good terms. Okay, now the patient has seen this information, everything is okay. Now if you go to the IP, and if I go to IP bills, you can print this particular bill, and it will show that this is an estimated bill. It doesn't have a discharge date, it has an estimate date, and it has hospital charges and whatever has been billed for that particular patient. Okay. So everything, if you go to the print, it will give you a complete printout of the bill, total how much has been paid, along with the payments and billing, whatever has been done, it will be showing in that particular bill. All right. Once the bill is done, once the billing is done, okay, we are done with the patient. We can finalize the bill. So suppose there is we want to discharge the patient. There is a 50 rupees balance, and the doctor says, I want one more fasting blood sugar. So you add the fasting blood sugar, and you'll say BS and submit. And now the balance is zero, and you'll finalize the bill. Once you finalize, you cannot make any changes to the bill. You see that there's no add option here. You can only print the particular bill, and then I can go, once you finalize the bill, you can go to the IP and discharge. And then you can discharge the patient, discharge date of this date, and discharge final bill date, and then discharge the patient. So now, if you look at this one, if you look at the, if I look at the print, it will give me now, this is the final bill. It has the discharge date, it has the bill number, it has the admission number, everything is in place. And once I print it, it will show me all the details. All right. So that is how we have done. Thank you.